maddest dog ever. Look at this. He's in the blankets right now. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, Scout. I just cover him in blanket until he gives up. And he's just like, whatever, this is my life now. Look at this. It doesn't even look like he's in the blankets. That thing's moving, right? That might just be my bad position of the camera. Look at this. Oh my god. Scouty! Scouty! Boy. Look at his face right now. Scout! Sit! Look at this. This is an absolute mess. If you pay attention to my other videos, pay close attention. Of course you pay attention to my other videos. But, Scouty! Leave me alone! Leave me alone. I'm just playing with him with my feet. I always like to chew on my feet or something. He definitely aimed for my arm. And now to cover you again. As I have the camera go black because I need to use both of my hands and not just one. Okay, there's a slight smudge. I'm actually sitting on the end so he can't get out. Scouty, I love you. I still love you. Scout. Look. Oh, Scouty. Oh my gosh, what does this remind me of? What, the Cat in the Hat? Could it remind me of anything else? The trailer for the movie Mordecai that my dad watched, and I just happened to be watching it with him. Kind of reminds me of his mustache. Yeah. Okay, there's never gonna be an actual specific haircut that I get his get him a certain haircut, like an actual design in his fur, but no. It's not fur, it's hair. He's hyperallergenic. Well, that's all it for today. I just thought this would be really funny as he gives up in the world of darkness called a blanket. He's looking for my Uber pen right now. You already chewed it up. No, Scout. No. She's still licking my hand. Ew, Scout. Your hand's so slimy. Ew. I love you anyway. And I love my fans. Bye. I don't know why I'm still funny. Cut this off.